Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. We completed 13th lesson, children. Now this is 14th lesson. In this 14th lesson, also in the previous video, we discussed about Russian Empire. Okay, children. What is the first lesson? What is this lesson name, children? The war between wars, 1900 to 1950. That means 50 years of time. What happened in the world, almost all countries. Okay, children, this is part 2. Part 1 already completed in the 13th lesson. So in that part 2, I explained to you about Russia Empire. So how the Russian people removed their Tsar. Tsar means Russian king. The last Tsar of Russian Empire was Nicholas II. So Nicholas II was dethroned by Russian Empire, children. So they formed another new government. Even though the new government also continued the war with participating in the World War. So that is why for the honor of their fatherland. So that's why again October Revolution also occurred in Russia. Okay, children. Next, children, here the Great Depression. When the Great Depression occurred, so it occurred in the world 1929. So it started 1929. It lasted 1939. That means 10 years occurred in the world. So what happened due to the Great Depression? Many countries, they stopped the production in their factories, in their companies. Why? Because people are unable to purchase the goods, children. So that is why they stopped production in the factories. So what happened? The stopping of production in the factories, many employers became unemployed. When the employers became unemployed, how can they run their family? So they faced severe problems in their families. They did not run their families without money. Okay, children, this greatly impact upon the government, concerning governments also. Okay, children, for example, 60% the price decreased or declined. For example, your pen value is 10 rupees, but due to the Great Depression, it falls 60%. That means if the company or factory will give you for the cost of 4 rupees, but nobody is there to willing to purchase the pen at the cost of 4 rupees. That is the position occurred in the almost all countries. Next, in the US, United States, 25% people are employees became unemployed, children. In the remaining countries, 33% employers became unemployed. So once you imagine 33% employers became unemployed. So how can they run their family? And these all situations impact upon the concerning government, children. So in this way, Marxist economists they argued this happened due to the capitalist ideology. So how many countries following capitalist ideology we know? I said in the previous classes. Okay, children, especially America. America ideology is capitalist idea. That means what, children? The people who have the money, they are investing money in the production. So after production, they are purchasing, they are selling and getting profits. Again, they will invest the money and getting profit. So this system is called capitalist economy system, children. So why the Great Depression occurred? By the opinion of Marxist economists, due to the capitalist. Okay, children, due to the capitalist. So they argued they wanted to establish in the remaining countries also socialism. Socialism means what, children? All are equal in the society. The property belongs to concerning government must to distribute to the citizens of the certain country, children. Okay, what is coming from the factory, it will distribute to the civil. that means people of that concerning country. What is the food grains coming from the cropland? It will distribute equally to the people. So that system is called socialist system. Okay. Next one, J.M. Keynes, one of the great economists, he said the at the time of Great Depression, the state invests the funds. So he argued the state means country. Who are ruling that country, they will survive with the new policies. Okay, children. Actually, 1920s and 1930s, that means 10 years, the capitalist countries they did not focus upon what problem will occur in the future. So that is why it happened in the world, children. So finally, many people became unemployed. Next one, economically, it was a big impact to almost all countries. Next, children, Roosevelt, the other the US president of the country, Roosevelt. So he started the New Deal policy. What he started, children? New Deal policy. According to this New Deal policy, he performed or said 3 hours. 3 hours at present. One movie also coming, children. That is not. Now I am telling about Great Depression time. Great Depression time, children. Relief, reform, recovery. What did he say? Relief, reform, recovery. Relief means what are the victim persons of depression? We will give some support to them. Next, to reform the financial institutions. What are the financial institutions? We will reform the financial institutions. Next, recovery, ensure economy. Who are affected by this? We must give some support. We must give some support. So these three are performed by or introduced by Roosevelt. That is called New Deal policy. What it is called? New Deal policy. Next, in this way, he started universal pension system to the government, children. Universal pension system. After retirement, how can they feed the retired persons? If the person is in the service, the government will give you every month salary. So after retirement also, the government decided to give some amount to the pensioners, half of the salary to the workers who are retired. That also started in that time, children. Unemployment insurance. Some people almost unemployed, so that's why they are providing insurance facility also to the unemployed. Next, who are the handicapped persons? So they survived by the government with the small helps of the government. Next, children who did not have the father, they also recognized by the government, and the government are giving help to the fatherless children. Okay. Next, when these all facilities are providing by the US president in USA, even these all are very beneficial to the people. That is why they are surviving by the Great Depression in USA. Okay, children. So that is why even Britain also adopted the same method, children. Britain also adopted the same method. Why? Because Britain also affected by this Great Depression. So even the Britain government also they started pension facilities to the retired persons. They started welfare programs to the poor people. Next to who are the children? Next to they started schools. That means education. They started health. Health means hospitals construction. Okay, children. So these facilities are adopted even in Britain also. Unemployed persons health and child care also taken in Britain, children. Next one, rise of Nazism. Rise of Nazism in Germany. Children, we know first World War and Second World War occurred due to the Germany, and also Germany was defeated in First World War and Second World War. Okay, children. But 1919, what happened in Versailles Treaty? The victorious powers put many conditions over Germany. So that's why Germany were surrendered many territories to concerning countries. So that's why Germany unable to develop due to these all conditions. Okay, children. So what happened? What was the position at the time of Great Depression in Germany? So we saw in the same Great Depression, America and Britain, children. America also they survived due to the new policies and welfare programs which is conducted by their president, the other president Roosevelt. What is his name, children? Roosevelt. The same procedure adopted by British government also. Okay, but what happened or what was the position of Germany at the time of Great Depression? Even Germany also severely affected by Great Depression, children. Okay, in that Germany, they wanted to come out from the Great Depression. So that's why the government started printing notes, currency notes, children. So in this way, what happened? Inflation occurred. Okay. Next one, in 1928, USA helped a small. Okay, but it may not continue up to 1929. Okay, children. So that's why in 1932. 40% production they reduced in their factories. What happened? Many persons, employers became unemployed. The youth also they simply sit in the street corners and they committing nuisance activities, criminal activities, and they are hanging some placards willing to do work. Okay, they queued up in the employment exchange offices. That means the worst conditions prevailed over all parts of the Germany due to the Great Depression. Okay, children, 6 million people became unemployed in their country, Germany. Once you imagine how they feed their family members. Okay, children, peasants also they stopped production of agriculture in their cultivated land. So due to this one, what happened? Food shortage became. Okay, children. So the women they were unable to feed their children due to the food shortage, children. In this way, even the political system also instability. That means the concerning government did not effectively ruling the country, children. So in this way, Nazi party. So on those days, Nazi party was very famous party, but at the initial stage it was not famous, children. When Hitler joined as a member in Nazi party, when he joined in 1928, the German parliament reached that the Nazi party members are only 2.6%, children. But when Hitler joined as a member, he was an orator. So he lectured in many parts of Germany. With his effective lecture, he inspired many youngsters, youth, especially unemployed, even the all kinds of all parts of their Germany country, children. By 1932, this Nazi party gained 37% of votes in Reichstag. Reichstag means what, children? The German parliament. What is that? German parliament. Okay, children, now I want to show you some pictures in this lesson once you look at. A New Yorker offers to sell his roadster after losing his money in the stock market crash. Okay, children. Next, you turn the page. Here, from Hitler's speech. Now you read this one. Hitler argued that it is the right of the most powerful race to conquer the world, for this earth is not allotted to anyone nor it is presented to anyone as a gift. It is awarded by providence to people who in their hearts have the courage to conquer it, the strength to preserve it, and the industry to put it to the plough. The primary right of this world is the right to life, so far as one possesses the strength for this. Hence, on the basis of this right, a vigorous nation will always find ways of adapting its territory to its population size. Okay, children? Okay, children, I will explain the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.